My name is Lester Thomas, and for my take-home exam, I'm going to show you how to tie a fly. My 1000 number is 1,882,968. The fly I'm going to show you how to tie is called a clouser minnow. It looks like this when it's done. It's a particularly effective fly in saltwater and freshwater conditions, and it works on a variety of fish. So to begin, you're going to need thread, bucktail, crystal flash, barbell eye or bead chain, a hook, and head cement. Oh wait, no, that's not it. This is head cement. To begin, we have to attach the thread to the hook. To do so, we make a few wraps on the shank of the hook, and then we extend the excess thread down and away from the eye of the hook and wrap over the excess. We then wrap back up to the eye of the hook and cut off the excess. Next, we must attach the barbell to the hook shank. First, place the barbell about a centimeter or so away from the eye of the hook and wrap over the top a few times. Then straighten the barbell so that it is perpendicular with the shank of the hook and wrap over it on the opposite side. Then, tightly wrap around the sides of the barbell so it is secure. I will now demonstrate. Next, we need to attach the bucktail. There are two things to remember at this point. One, from now on, use material sparingly and effectively or the eye of the hook may get crowded. Two, the bucktail we are going to put on will be on the bottom when the fly is in the water. First, pinch a decent amount of bucktail and liberate it. Next, pick out excess hairs and fibers. Try to remove as many short hairs as possible. Next, place the choice hair into your hair stacker, which is this thing right here, and proceed to stack the hair. Once stacked, pinch the hair near the bottom and place it just behind the barbell and make a few tight wraps. Then trim the excess hair that is crowding the eye of the hook. Then wrap down the rest of the hair in front of the barbell. We're back? Oh. Next, bring the thread just behind the barbell and make several tight wraps to secure the rest of the bucktail. Continue down the back of the hook shank at your own discretion. Next, we are going to tie on a few strands of crystal flash. Grab a few strands of flash and liberate them. Then take the strands at either end and bring them behind the thread. Take the strand ends in one hand, the thread in the other, and make them taut. Guide the strands down to the hook shank and wrap them down. This is a Cars 2 pillowcase, in case you're wondering. Next, we are going to tie on some more bucktail. Prepare the bucktail and place it just behind the barbell on the underside of the hook and make tight wraps. Next, we're going to tie on some more flash on top of the bucktail we just tied on. Tie it on the same way we did before.
Next, we're going to do what's called a whip finish, and it's probably easier if I just show you.
Now we have come to the final and most important step, applying the head cement. Without this step, the fly wouldn't last very long. Take out the glue and get rid of the excess before applying. Apply to every surface covered by the thread and also to the points which the material meets the thread. I like to put some on the barbell too. When you are done applying, expose the applied glue to ultraviolet light to harden the glue. About 1 or 2 minutes should do. Then take some isopropyl alcohol and a Q-tip and rub the alcohol on the glue. This will get rid of the stickiness. And that is how you tie a clouser. All right, that's a wrap, people.